Another day, another product from Aliexpress, and this one costs around $4 and it comes in different shapes, but you can get this PCB module with the round screen or this one. And what is it? It's a TFT LCD display, 1.28 inch LCD display module with round screen and 240 by 240 pixels, and the display driver is GC9A01 driver, wire SPI interface for Arduino, let's say. And you can order just the screen, you can order together with the driver and the PCB circuit board and the pin headers, but also you have this choice. I have ordered this one. I waited and of course I got it. No bubbles. But it's good that the display comes in this plastic package, which is perfect protection for the screen. And what it says, 1.28 TFT and some Chinese symbols, I don't know what that means. And take a look at this beauty. Round display, TFT. Whoa, what it says? What it says, 1.28 inch TFT version 1. The display driver is GC9A01, 240 by 240 pixels, active area diameter 32 millimeters. We have 8 pins that need to be connected with the Arduino, and of course I will not remove the screen protector because it's very easy to scratch the screen. This one it's not touch, it's only the screen. I'm gonna connect the display with ESP32 development board. I have already prepared the wires, and just to mention, here it is, the same screen or display but with already built-in ESP32 board inside this package. By the way, this digital clock with stars and falling stars and Wi-Fi meter, the date and the color, it's awesome. I have a full video of this software or this code. You need to check in description below. But in today's video we're gonna work only with the display, not this one. This one is pretty awesome also. It's connected, but before that, here it is the pin mapping of wiring the screen with the ESP32, but also you can change these pins in the code. By the way, the code, all the codes that you will see, code examples that you will see in this video will be in description below, so you can check them. And also later I will add a programmable LED and a potentiometer, and you're gonna see also those code examples. Right. The first code that I upload to the ESP32, it's of course hello world. Take a look. I designed a simple code example that says hello world with that blue square in the middle and round yellow flashing with green circle and one more, a red one. This is just the first code example that I will show you. This was just to test that the screen is working properly and my connection is okay. Let's see the next code. I forgot to tell you, all the codes that you will see, code example that you will see in this video, use only this Arduino GFX library that need to be installed in the Arduino IDE software. And also here it is the pin mapping for the screen, and that is the connection between the ESP32 and the display. I add the potentiometer module to the ESP32 so I can control the display. And take a look at this example. Here it shows the voltage, the watts, but you can control the gauge meter with the potentiometer. Take a look. Ooh. with rotating the potentiometer I can control the screen. It says 99. Also, and the voltage and the watts are changing numbers. And this is just an example what you can do using this display. This is awesome. Wow. And it's very responsive. It responds very fast. Nice. What do you think? And if you have some kind of idea, I want to hear it, so please comment below. Maybe I will make in my next videos the code example. Alright, let's go to the next code example. But before showing the next example, let me share my Ko-fi page where you can support my channel and support my work with 1 coffee or more if you want it. And my latest supporters are Jan D, and he wrote, "Thanks for the gadget suggestions. Thank you, Jan D, for support and sending me a coffee." And this one is coffee supporter, and he wrote, "As I promised in my last comment, I will buy you a coffee." And he is Danny from Belgium. Thank you, Danny, and I think that he sent me a couple of coffees for the second time. Thank you, Danny. Thank you, sir, for supporting my channel. I appreciate it very much, and it's helping a lot to my channel and work. And here it is, the next example. It's a game with a spaceship in and oh, game over, score 100. Let's start again. And I control the spaceship with the potentiometer, which is pretty retro game, and I can auto shoot to the enemies and other spaceships that are coming to me. Also at the top you see the score, and I like that the game works pretty awesome. But I can't, some of the enemies are shooting also. I can't know that you can see that. Those are shooting are the red ones. Whoa. I need to avoid those reds. What do you think? Beautiful. Working like a charm, and also this game code will be in description below so you can check it. To mention that the potentiometer module, the sensor pin is connected on D34, remember that, just letting you know. Now let's take a look the next example, and maybe it looks complicated, but believe me, it's not. And here it is the diagram. So we're gonna use a programmable LED, and the model is WS2812B. That is this one. I'm gonna use only one for this example, and beside that, on that LED that you need to connect 5 volts and ground. Also we have a digital input that need to be connected on D14 of the ESP. We have the potentiometer, also ground 5 volts, and the sensor or the output signal from the potentiometer is going to D34. The rest is the same for the ESP32 connected to the round screen. Here it is the pinouts, the pin mapping. And take a look now. What is this? It's a color picker using a potentiometer. I designed a simple graphics for the round screen, but using the potentiometer, take a look, I can choose the color of the LED with the potentiometer. Isn't that awesome? Now we are at orange. In the same time, it shows the color in the middle of the screen. Take a look. Red, yellow, green, cyan, blue, violet. Isn't that nice? With rotating the potentiometer, you can choose the color on the LED, and this way you can control maybe more lights or more LEDs, and this will be awesome project if you made it for your desktop, maybe controlling your desktop lights and see the color on this round screen, and it's working perfect. I hope you enjoy in today's presentation of this beautiful round screen, 240 by 240 pixels, 1.28 inch, and the price is around $4 US, and you can do a lot of awesome projects using this module. The link will be in the description below so you can check it. And that's it. Please give a like, share and subscribe to my channel. See ya tomorrow with new video. Every day new video. Remember that. Alright.